Hello everyone, here is Krista, and today I want to share useful tips in our car cleaning. And okay, look, this is a Chenille car cleaning glove, and after we wearing it, we find the size is very suitable for our hand to tweak, and we also can feel the soft hand feeling. This Chenille car cleaning glove can be used with water and soap mixture, car washing glove, and or for drying. And because of the soft Chenille loops, and it can remove the stubborn dirt effortlessly. Okay, let's have a try. Okay, put the glove into the water and mixture with the soap. And I will clean this part, and we can see the obvious difference of these two parts. And we can see that after the cleaning, the car looks streak-free and shine, and this glove does not scratch on paints with microfiber fringes. Okay, in a conclusion, this Chenille car cleaning glove can be used on paints, glass, metals, and also can be used to apply and remove polishes, waxes, and care products. And lint-free, durable, and highly absorbent. So I highly recommend to you, and hope you also like it.